If email tracking isn't working in Pipedrive, yeah, that means you're missing opens and clicks, which is a big deal. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure email tracking is actually enabled in Pipedrive, because if it's turned off, nothing will be tracked. Next, send emails directly from Pipedrive. Tracking works best when you use the built-in email composer instead of external apps. Now check your email integration. And whether it's Google or Microsoft, make sure it's properly connected. Keep in mind, email tracking depends on the recipient. If they block images or use strict privacy settings, opens might not be tracked. Also check spam filters and security tools. Some email systems block tracking pixels, which stops tracking from working. If it still doesn't work, reconnect your email account or update your app. Yeah, this can fix hidden syncing issues. And that's it. These steps should fix most email tracking issues in Pipedrive. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.